June 2026. Satellite sensors have detected a rhythmic heat signature beneath geologically dead peaks in the Andes. While the surface remains frozen, intense heat, over 40 degrees Celsius, is rising from deep within the bedrock. It defies everything we know about geology. There is no sulfur, no tremors, and no magma. This isn't a volcano, it's something else entirely. The evidence points to an engineering hypothesis: artificial or ancient installations acting as massive thermal conductors deep beneath the ice. This heat is creating massive ice cathedrals miles below the surface, where liquid water defies the laws of physics. Latest radar results are shocking. They aren't natural caverns. They are structured, intentional geometric shapes hidden behind the frozen veil. An expedition is now deploying to drill directly into the signature. What they find could rewrite the history of our planet. Is this an ancient awakening or a new geological mystery? The Andes are finally starting to speak. The answers are waiting. Join us as we uncover the truth beneath the frozen veil.